Yep, I saw Top Gun and couldn't grow a mustache yet. This is a few Polaroids I took before my camera was borrowed indefinitely. These are my favorite shirts, my watch, my unfinished bowl of breakfast cereal, pants, my passport, my oof.